everybody and welcome from my little studio. And I have some sad news, or not so sad, it's okay. I am moving out. Yeah. So the rent is a little bit too high at the moment for me, and I am moving to another place. Basically, I'm moving to the local gym where I'll have my classes and personal trainings and so on. So I will give this beautiful place away, which was my workout crib for the past year and a half. We did some amazing workouts inside here. We created a mini community of powerful and strong women who want to change their lives for the better. And yeah, I'm gonna miss this beautiful place. It's actually really nice, but the rent being around 800 to 1,000 euros per month is a little bit too much at the moment, and I have to prioritize some things in life. So that being said, I will just move everything back into my little room at home. And what is also one thing that is also really daunting to do is to remove all these stickers that are here, and that will take a little bit of time because every word and every letter it's on its own. So yeah, this will take a long time. I already took one out, I took the energy out, but yeah, let's do this. I also have this big logo here and a little bit outside, but it's okay. So yeah, so the room is actually not damaged at all. It has just maybe a little, you know, a little bit, it's like a little dirt here and there. It's dirty, but it's not like that a big deal. So hopefully I won't need to repaint everything, but we will see how this goes. And if I do have to repaint, then I will just do it. What else can I do? Okay, so yeah, that's a little update from my side.
I'm so good at pretending, keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without.
So today is my last day here training, and now I'm just cleaning as well. I brought my vacuum cleaner, so I'm gonna take all this now home. And yeah, so that's the next step of this project, and my brother-in-law will help me to paint a little bit, and that's it. So right now I'm making myself coffee. Last coffee here in this office, and yeah, and I gotta help from my hubby. Hello.
This meditation through the yoga lessons, going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Posters covering the walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah, yeah, yeah. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, neat and tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind. Don't you worry about me. If I keep feeling like I'm missing something, don't you worry about me, yeah. Don't you worry about. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside. hold your body close to me. Wanna take you where you've never been. Swear I won't break your heart and I won't let you down. Yeah, maybe we can dance the night away. Got me feeling like a hurricane. 'Cause now it's up at night. We're all
Well, right now it's like a complete disaster. But at least I cleaned everything. So I cleaned it, I vacuumed it. There's some trash I need to take out, and that's like an empty space. How I am feeling? Actually, I'm feeling pretty good. I'm okay. I've been preparing for this for about 2 months now because I had to give 2 months notice that I'm leaving, and it's totally okay. So I'm ready for another chapter, whichever that chapter is gonna be. So I'm not having any hard feelings about it. It was just simply too expensive for me to keep it and to keep a normal life without extra, that I would go for extra sacrifices. I just cannot do it because I have better options to train my clients and without a rent. So yeah, that's the decision that I made and I'm okay with it. So some of my stuff is already here. I got my bench bag, yay, here's my bike, the dumbbell rack, and this ones I will put on the floor now. So it's gonna be like a black floor from now on. And then I will see if I can make my logo there and some other stuff as well. So let's go to work. I will wash also this because I have them outside, a lot of them, and yeah, and then I will slowly start to set up my home gym / little mini studio where I do the videos for you guys. So yeah, and this is also my chill out little space. Let's get to work.
all I wanna do now. Maybe we can dance the night away. It's what I wanna do now. I hope that you can stay right here with me. Think I've got fire running through my veins. 'Cause when you touch me, I burst into flames. I don't know what it is you do to me. Now we're just dancing in this burning room. There's something in the way you look and move that tells me you are all I'll ever need.
And this is now halfway through, so I just put this flooring. I still have some to finish here, but this will go somewhere else, we'll see. And yeah, I still have some weights at studio I need to bring, and in general this will look like that. Time for a snack. Pineapple. Here I have mangoes, bananas, pineapple. Yum. Oh my god, so sweet! Oops. That's my favorite tropical fruit. Comment down below which one is yours. So when I put the fruits in a bowl, what I also do is like I squeeze this and then you can drink it. Oh, yum. Come on. Let's watch the edges.
You need to come down, man. Now.
A little bit of wrestling time. Come on. Leo, do it. Fight it. And now the final part I have to get off the wall is my logo. Yeah, pretty much the rest is already empty. Nothing on this wall anymore. And yeah, also that sticker there needs to go. So that's it, the end of one era for me. I always wanted to have my own studio, but I decided to give it up for somebody else. And yeah, it's a time now for new beginnings. I had my studio for 1.5 years, and that's it. That's how it looks, an empty space.